Hey GBA friends, we're out here on one of our projects. I wanted to show you a penetration flashing that I often see done very poorly. Line sets, HVAC line sets are often just some sort of cobbled together rat's nest of a flashing attempt. And these are Quickflash Products AC line set hoods. And these have been my go-to. They have this really nice positive mechanical flashing here that allows you to get your line sets out and protected and lapped to the weather. And then I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it, but up inside or not, there's a neoprene gasket that performs an air sealing function for these as well. So these are just a really clean, effective way to make sure that this difficult to flash penetration is water sealed and air sealed at the same time.